The hype over YouTube Shorts has been huge the last couple of years. But what if YouTube Shorts are actually hurting our channels and hurting our business, and we don't even realize it? I get it. It's hard to escape the hype around YouTube Shorts. According to YouTube, 2 billion people watch Shorts every single month. Think about that. That's like, what, a fifth of the world's population? Plus 70 billion views come from Shorts every single day. It sort of feels like we have to do them. But should we? Yes, they're great for getting views, but they die fast. And they rarely build trust, generate sales, or lead to long-term growth. I really wanted to know what was actually happening. So I did some deep research, and here's what I found out. First, let's acknowledge the fact that Shorts are a really good dopamine hit. If you are early in your long-form video journey and you're getting 12 views per video, then all of a sudden getting 200 or 500 views on a short feels really good. But unless your top goal is to get views on Shorts, it's a bit of a mirage, isn't it? Like, it feels like progress. Oh, I made something and people are watching it. But then what happens? It just kind of fades off into nothingness. And how many people that watched our short, maybe even liked our short, shared it with a friend, still remember us 5 or 10 minutes later? According to a 2025 analysis by Adam Connell, long-form videos convert way more subscribers than Shorts do. And subscribers don't just mean growth, subscribers mean leverage. But that's not even the biggest reason I think that Shorts could be hurting us or at least not helping us. So Shorts are part of swipe culture, while long-form videos are part of search culture or recommended culture. So when somebody clicks on a long-form video in search, or it came up on the YouTube homepage or the feed, like they're going, oh, this looks interesting, I want to watch that. Meanwhile, Shorts are more of the entertain me or die, scroll, next, next, next. They just keep going, and then they forget about us really, really quickly. And I know some people say they use Shorts to build their audience to get them to watch long term, but even YouTube said that the YouTube Shorts algorithm and the long form algorithm are two separate algorithms. So somebody watching your Shorts doesn't necessarily mean one of your long form videos is more likely to come up for them in search or in the recommended feed. Now, I don't know what you use YouTube for, but I'm an entrepreneur and I use it for my business. Nobody's gonna hire me or you or buy anything from us after watching one 15-second or 60-second or even 3-minute long YouTube short. It just doesn't happen. If Shorts were going to lead to a sale or a new client, they have to watch 3 or 4 of them at least, probably, to start to get to know you and build some trust. But again, that could take weeks or months, because just because one of your videos popped up in their feed doesn't mean that more are going to keep doing that. It's just a different viewing pattern from the way people watch long-form videos. If you watch Shorts, ask yourself this: how many people can you name that you watched a short from yesterday? Not many, probably. The answer might be 0. So even if you did see another one of their shorts in a couple of days, you may not even remember who they were. Now, Shorts are not all evil, and we'll talk about that here in just a second. But if you're trying to build a business based on YouTube Shorts, then you're building a house on sinking sand. When somebody in my community says, oh my gosh, I posted a short, I got 300 views, it feels so good. They're usually not happy when I have a blunt conversation with them and I say, hey, look, that's awesome. Celebrate the win. I don't do that when I'm talking to them necessarily, but realize that the time you put into that could have been put into a long form video. In fact, I've found that I can make a quality long form video in about the same time as I can make a YouTube short that does really well. Sure, I can hit record for 30 seconds and put it out there, but a good short is a lot of work. Shorts aren't evil, but for most of us, they're not a business strategy. Long form is what lasts a long time and serves your business for years and years to come. But I'd love to know, are you still gonna play with Shorts, or have you been playing with Shorts? Let's have a conversation about it. Let me know down in the comments.